Disagree with Dodge is how they don't distinguish their models. That you can have a Hellcat and it looks just like an RT Plus or a V6 car or anything. And the Camaros and Mustangs have been doing that for a long time. So what I think Dodge should have done is be a little more drastic and a little bit more, I mean, because, you know, they're so different across the board of how they present their cars to the public. You know, there's a lot of advertising going on, and there's a lot of, you know, nice PR work that they do with these cars. What they should have done is really distinguish the models between the RT Pluses, the 392s, the SRTs, the Hellcats, and the V6 guys. You should be able to only get, they should have really made it where the V6 cars only come with this type of package. You know, like a cool looking package, but just for their models only. The RTs should have a certain amount of things that you could only get with the RTs that you can't get in the 392s or the Hellcats, and really, you know, distinguish the cars. You know, you go back and you look at some of the Camaro Firebirds back in the day and all that kind of stuff, and you know, people wanted specific models. They wanted the Formula. They didn't want the Trans Am. They wanted the Formula because the Formula offered a whole different look to it. People wanted the Trans Am because they wanted the big wings and the extra stuff and all that kind of stuff. And then they had some of the WS6 packages and all that kind of stuff where you can, you know, you can get a Formula with some of these packages that were really unique to that car, and it made it different. It differentiated the brands. Camaros did that. Some of the Mustangs did that, like, you know, like the SVOs. You could only get with the SVO package. And to those guys who don't know what the SVO package was, it was the 4-cylinder turbo car they made, specifically in certain years, which had the more of the European flair to it. But that was very unique to that package. You couldn't get a Ford Mustang GT, even a fully decked out, and you couldn't get the same stuff that you had on that SVO package, which was really, which in the long run, you know, you can't find those SVOs anymore, or at least in good shape. They're worth a lot of money, those cars. So I'm thinking, you know, down the line, because, you know, these bodies are going to be changing soon, and just to flood the market with cars that all look alike kind of cheapens the brand. You know, is that harsh? You know, I kind of throw it out to the Dodge community and you know, ask your opinion. What do you think? And again, you know, I'm not kissing anybody's ass right now, and I'm not trying to, like, I don't care. I'm demonetized, so it doesn't make a difference. I can curse and do what the hell I want on this channel now. And I'm not bashing the V6 guys. I'm not bashing any guys that are having certain levels of trim, but I would like the trim levels to have a more distinctive flavor to them. Not every car look the same. So again, what's your opinion? I'm probably babbling on. I don't know, but that's kind of like a little sore topic. To me, that's just up badging. That's all it is. It's just, the guys who put 392 badges on their car. This is what I say to you: don't do it. It's stupid. Really. Flavor your car, do it a different way. And again, it's a free country. You can do whatever you want. I don't give a shit. But you look like a you look. You don't get any respect with that. The past month, I've seen about 5 or 6 cars that had the 392 badges on them, or they had like the decals that they put the 392s on the side. And I seen one guy went through the trouble of making the car look like an SRT car, right? But then he painted the black. He painted the red. He painted the stock RT calipers red, and then had everything else with SRT on the back, the spoiler, everything. And I'm like, dude, it's not an SRT. Any Dodge guy will know that. So then why have the front? You know what I mean? And I understand you like the look. I understand that you want it to be an SRT. I understand that, you want it to have that flavor. But instead of putting SRT on the back of the Sport, put something else on there. Put, RT Plus or I don't know. Make it a symbol of something else. Don't make the car look like an SRT when it's not. That's a poser to me. I don't know. What's your opinion? Put some feedback, maybe some rebuttal videos or something like that. That'd be fantastic. Click that subscribe button. Like it, don't like it. I don't care. All right, guys. Take it with a grain of salt. Take care.